Now what I want to do real quick is just mention the user's manual that is on this disk. Now, because I'm taking you through a step-by-step process of how to input information into TMS Plus and what it'll do, I'm not going to cover the user's manual, but I do want you to be aware that it is on the program. It's on the control panel tab. It's one of those. If you simply click on the user's manual tab, you can then see that it opens up to the help topics section. So a lot of the information, or all of the information I should say, that is on the TMS Plus and things you can do with this software is in this user's manual. So if at any time after this tutorial you have questions and you're in the process of building a plan or downloading information and you have questions, you can come to this user's manual to get those questions answered.